In this video, we're going to utilize Sibelius with Pro Tools simultaneously. In order to do that, we use a protocol that's called Rewire. Now, Rewire is not an application. It actually allows streaming audio and MIDI data to be sample accurate, locked with the time between both applications, so they can both coexist and do their same functions separately, all on the same timeline. So for example, imagine running Reason, you could run Ableton, you could run Melodyne. There's a whole list of applications on the market that support Rewire. When you install a Rewire application, it shows up as an insert within your Pro Tools application or any other DAW that supports Rewire as well. So for this example, I'm going to create a stereo aux, and I'm going to create it just underneath my structure track. Let's name the stereo aux. If you go into the inserts, I can go into multi-channel, pull up instrument, and you can see I can pull up Sibelius. Now Sibelius has only 2 channels to work with. All you're really doing is just hot wiring the channels out of Sibelius to come in through this Rewire plugin so that they can be heard. Notice that it automatically launched Sibelius in the background for me. So everything is ready to go. I never had to launch Sibelius from the applications folder. Now for this particular example, I'm just going to pull up a file that we already have available. So I'm just going to pull up a score. And you can see that this particular score can actually play along with Pro Tools at the same time. Now in this particular example, I have my session at 100 BPM and I'm in 4/4 time, whereas Sibelius is in 9/8 time and has a different BPM. So you're going to have to lock these up a little bit. It's going to be a little bit different, but if you are working within Reason or Ableton or other DAWs that support rewiring, you're going to find that they lock their tempos and everything is sample accurate. So there's a little bit more work involved, but you can actually do all your scoring and editing and hear all the instruments being played out of Sibelius through your aux track inside Pro Tools. So I encourage those of you that work in notation quite a bit with Sibelius to really use this feature within Pro Tools. You get the power of both applications running simultaneously.